Two reality shows are dominating the OTT space right now. One is Lock Up Season 2 and another one is Alliance. While one is grabbing attention for shocking personal revelations, the other is making headlines for its high voltage competition, and now a new update could connect both shows in a surprising way. Well, Lock Up Season 2, hosted by Ritesh Deshmukh and Farah Khan, has already become one of the biggest talking points online. The reality show features contestants like Akansha Chamola, Ram Kapoor, Harshit Chopra, Shivangi Joshi, Sunita Ahuja, and Shreya Kalra, and several others who are making headlines with their gameplay and personal confessions. Well, among them, it is Akansha Chamola who has become the biggest talking point, and during her very entry into the show, Akansha revealed that she and actor Gaurav Khanna have decided to part ways. She also opened up about one of the major reasons behind their separation, saying that while Gaurav wanted children, she does not have maternal instincts. And since then, Akansha has continued making several revelations about her marriage, leaving viewers eager to know what really went wrong between the two. Well, meanwhile, another reality show creating massive buzz is Alliance, hosted by Kunal Khemu. Well, this reality series features contestants including Kushal Tandon, Arsalan Goni, Daisy Shah, Zaid Darbar, Neeti Taylor, Ruhi Dusani, Payal Gaming, Mini Mathur, Nikhil Chinnappa, Dilbar Arya, Arman Khera, Dolly Javed, Sabi Suri, and many more. And now, as per a media portal, Gaurav Khanna has reportedly been approached to join Alliance. While there is no official confirmation from the actor yet, the report claims that discussions are underway and fans are eagerly waiting to see whether he accepts the offer. Well, if Gaurav does come on board, it would certainly make things even more interesting. On one hand, Akansha is making headlines on Lock Up Season 2 by sharing details about her personal life, and on the other, Gaurav could be seen competing on Alliance. Even they would be on different OTT platforms, both estranged partners would be making waves into two of the biggest reality shows currently streaming. Well, fans are also wondering whether Gaurav, if he joins the show, will finally address the ongoing buzz surrounding his separation. And will he choose to reveal his side of the story? Will he make any clarifications regarding Akansha's statements, just as she has also openly spoken about their marriage? For now, those questions remain unanswered. Well, adding to the excitement, reports also suggest that Sohail Khan is expected to enter Alliance soon, making the competition even more intense. Well, as of now, Gaurav Khanna's entry into Alliance remains unconfirmed, but if the deal goes through, reality TV fans could witness one of the most talked about developments of the season. Stay tuned for more entertainment updates.